guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are featuring Mackenzie. In today's video, we are going to be doing a Mickey Ear Monday challenge.
We have all of this amazing stuff in front of us. We don't really know what we're gonna do.
Gunner's like, yes indeed.
Hey guys!
So in today's video, we have a variety of materials. We are going to be trying to whip together something out of all of this stuff. I have my template, which y'all have seen in every single video. So we are just going to be starting off with the basic, wiring our headband so it gives us some stability, and we will see you in a minute. Alrighty then we have our headbands ready and prepped. I guess the next step is to start our timer and get this challenge a-going. We are going to set a timer for 45 minutes. Ready? Set. Go! Alright guys, this is my setup. I have my headband, some of the clear, I don't know what this is called, but it's clear. Some pipe cleaners, a piece of foam, and then some of the pom-poms. And I think I am ready to begin the process. Woohoo! Go me!
Hey, here is my setup so far. I just cut out some Mickey ear to put onto my headband. I'm not going to give away what else I am doing just yet, but we'll check back in just a second. Okay guys, Chandler said she's guessed it so far. Can you?
Comment down below. Haven't made as much progress as Mackenzie over here, but this is what I have so far, and right now I am wrapping my headband in red ribbon. Any guesses so far? A? Update on mine, I have an ear on, not done. These will go onto this ear. This one's gonna slide on right there. Any guesses? Any guesses?
Three, two, one.
So now we are going to clean up the station and then have our lovely ears displayed, and y'all will pick the winner.
Alrighty, so here are our Mickey ears. On the left is Mackenzie's, on the right is mine. Leave your votes down below on who won this challenge, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!